Alright guys, this is ACEEE06, and yep, once again, doing another unboxing, because the last camera I got sucks. Freezes, battery situation is just terrible. You have to use AAA batteries, and it's not the batteries, it's the thing is set up to where batteries act like they run out of power very fast, but it's obviously an issue with the camera. But again, that's not the only problem. The freezing is totally unacceptable, and so it has to be taken back. It's called the ISO48. It's just Polaroid. It may look nice, but it does not function nicely. In case you're wondering which camera it is. Alright, yeah, this. You do not want to have this type of camera. It may look good, yeah, it may be waterproof, but it's very freeze prone, and I don't think the battery setup is wired very well to where the thing is almost never on full power, even with brand new batteries, and it runs out of power very quickly, even though the battery has hardly been used. So again, I gotta pretty much take this thing back, because it's been a joke. And here we go. Yep, another one of these. I believe 781 HD DVR, which I got last year, and a whole bunch of, and like the previous camera, mysteriously disappears. There'd rather not be any more mysterious disappearances, but anyhow. So between mysterious disappearances and other cameras not functioning, this is just unacceptable. Alright, here's what we've got. Brand new Vivitar 781, and looks better. There better not be any mysterious disappearances this time, because I mean, the Lumix that I had disappeared just by putting it down somewhere in my house, and then I had a similar camera to this. It was in my bag, and somehow I checked and it was gone. Whatever it is doesn't make sense. And then this camera doesn't work properly, battery issues and freezing problems. It has to be taken back. Fortunately, it's within a year of buying it. It's at a 1-year warranty, an extended warranty. But Yeah, there's been a lot of crazy issues with cameras for me lately. Anyhow, here's the new camera I got. Hopefully things will work out with this. And if I do have to get any other camera, it should be for some additional reason, not because something happened with the camera I have, but just that I need either another camera, an additional camera, or for quality reasons. But there better not be any mishaps with this one. Anyhow, looks good. I mean, technically, this one looked good. Looks good also, but didn't function well. So anyhow, that's that. And yeah, hopefully I'll have some more videos for you soon. I'm sorry it's taking a while. I ran out of uploads and it's been a bit cold here. So anyhow,